Darryl here, back again for more crypto news. Today we have some interesting topics to talk about. But first, today's market sentiment seems very amazing, and that's why I want to do this video. For a while it was a bit depressing, it was very slow and smooth, but today Bitcoin is at $31,000. Let's take a look at the charts. So we have Bitcoin right here at 31,000, Ethereum at 1900, BNB at 240, all looking really green and positive. What I can expect happening in the next couple of days is more of the coins picking up because Bitcoin is pumping. Market cap now sitting around 600 over billion. The volume is 15 billion, which is really good volume for Bitcoin. With that said, the first news that I want to talk about is for Crypto.com. What is going on with this little fella? So Crypto.com is the trading platform that is going to be trading on its own exchange. Yes, you heard it here. Crypto.com is going to have its own exchange and it's going to be trading on its own exchange. What makes Crypto.com so different is because they also offer clients a Visa debit card to spend their digital assets. However, FT reports raises questions about potential conflicts of interest in the industry as the American regulators crack down on major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. So it's not going to be easy for them because they are going to go through some issues while trying to set this up. Trading your own company in your own exchange, that can lead to a lot of insider trading, so it's not really reliable. And why am I showing more about this is because Crypto.com actually had a commercial with the actor Matt Damon. You guys definitely know Matt Damon. Back in the early 2021, I bet you guys didn't know that. Earlier this month announced that he would wind down the institutional service for the American client, and the exchange has said that it made the decision due to the limited demand from institutions in the current market landscape. Apart from that, please guys, be secure with your coin. It can be altcoins, it can be meme coins, it can be your own Bitcoins, USDT, stablecoin. And why am I telling you this is because a lot of people are getting hacked now that the bull run is slightly coming back. 1 billion XRP tokens were released from Ripple escrow accounts. What's the reason for this transaction? As you can see right here, they were released from multiple accounts, multiple transactions. And this routine was a process that happens every month, additionally predictable to the XRP supply. However, why are they releasing it? Well, because the company locks up a large portion of its XRP holdings and ensuring it there's not going to be floods in the market for the excess supply or manipulation of price. So this is actually good for the public and retail investors. In addition to that, this release does not have a negative effect on the XRP price because the XRP price has risen 2% in the last 24 hours. Normally people will predict that it's going to dump because people are going to sell it, liquidate, and the money goes out from the liquidity pool. However, this actually went up, meaning people trust it more and more because they know that this process is made for the market to not be manipulated or have an excess supply of XRP. Like I said, this is not financial advice. This is purely for entertainment. Now let's hop on to the next one. SEC pushed investors into toxic crypto porn, and FTX says Winklevoss. The Gemini co-founder Cameron Winklevoss said that the SEC refusal to approve the spot on Bitcoin ETF has been a complete and utter disaster for US investors. Let's take a look at its tweet. I filed for the first spot Bitcoin ETF. The SEC government refusal to approve this product. He mentioned all the reasons as well, protected investors from the best performing asset of the last decade, push investors to toxic products like Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, push spot Bitcoin activity offshore to unlicensed and unregulated venues, and also push investors into the arms of FTX, subjecting them to one of the world's financial frauds and modern history. You can see it right here in the documents of the Winklevoss Bitcoin Trust. According to the whole crypto market, with all of that said, ending it on a high note, let me show you one product that I mentioned before in my previous video. It's a great place to compound your interest because this is really high interest of many platforms that I've compared so far. If you have yourself some Bitcoin, if you have yourself some USDT, if you have yourself some Shiba Inu, this is the place where you want to be. Dexpool.io. How does this work? Well, basically you have to top up your cryptocurrency first. So you can click top up, put in your email address, and then once you're in, you can see all of the coins and their product. All the compounded rates have been reduced, but it's still really high. I'll tell you why. If you click add liquidity here, you can see that there's limited offer and there's different percentages. However, all of this is the profit in one day. They show you right here the estimate. You can see the different rates as well. The percentages is just different from the minimum amount. So if you have a bigger minimum amount, you can get even up to 0.8%. This is not yearly, this is per day, and this is auto compounded as well. Just think about how crazy is that. You can see more info as well. The rewards are credited every 24 hours. The term is 10 days, and this is the amount. You can see the percentage. This is insane. 10 days you can get this percentage. It's wild. People normally get it in half a year or 1 quarter, and even 1 quarter it sounds really good, but this is every 24 hours. So if you click top up right here, just click on, let's say, BNB, top up BNB. You see how it works? It's just a normal address. So just just copy this address, go onto your Binance or MetaMask or whatsoever platform. Remember to use the correct network, whether it's BEP20, whether it's TRC20, choose the right network. This is definitely BEP20. And then if you want to add liquidity, just go onto the add liquidity page. You can see how much they're offering. So for ETH, it's 0.11% every 8 hours. 8 hours. That's crazy. XRP is 0.17%. So far, there's some that are really, really high. Even USDT is high as well. Every 8 hours, 0.17%. Just click add liquidity and choose the network that you want to put in. And voila, there you go. You can manage your liquidity right here as well. However, this is really, really cool because this entire platform is one of the highest yield platform that you can earn your BNB or your USDT or your Bitcoin on. So with that said, guys, go on to my link down in the descriptions below, click it and use the code down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Peace out.